Hey YouTubers, so I asked Big Ed here, would he vacuum my couch for me? Because I couldn't get that darn thing, that handle to come off of it. Look at him. Get it, Big Ed, work it, honey. You work it. I couldn't get the hose loose, so you know what he does? He just takes the whole damn vacuum cleaner and is vacuuming my couch for me. Oh my. He is fucking crazy. Oh hell no. Lost his damn mind. Oh my God. Well, get her done, Big Ed. Brand new vacuum cleaner. I couldn't get the hose loose, so he just... Oh, get that dog hair off my couch, honey. Work it. Work it.
Yes, sir.
Is that?
No, they ain't even trying to get all that. Don't even get out this motherfucker.
Our house looks like 5 times better.
Oh, he got it loose now. Look. Oh, you shouldn't get it, boy. We about killed ourselves. This Hurricane Sally cleanup mess going on. I can't hardly move today. Get it, boy, get it. Well, this little vacuum cleaner, I always did like a Hoover. This Hoover XL Pet. I mean, it works good. Yeah, I've always liked a Hoover vacuum cleaner, but also the Sears. What was Sears brand? He's a damn straight up fool. I didn't see that. What's the damn name of Sears? Anyway, they're Sears brand. Somebody tell me the name of Sears products. They used to have a vacuum cleaner that was like Miss Smith had one of them. It's my angel lady. It was my cousin's grandmother, but I adopted her. She loved me best, I think.
Look good on that, Mom.
Huh?
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it looks a lot better. That I gotta patch it though.
Ooh, the house is so good now. They look at the house. Ooh. Ooh, look at Mama T. Screw.
I gotta get some window blinds. Tell you that.
It's coming up. So this the only chair you're gonna have in here?
Mm-hmm. How does it feel, Eddie? How's it? Is it comfortable? Look, your mama raised you right, boy. Noah, get your feet off of it.
Tell me how my feet was on side.
I was telling him how his mama raised him right, not having his feet up on my couch. And what does my son do? My son steps up on it with his dirty ass socks. That's what he be doing. Mm-hmm. And you know I'm raising you right, boy. Get off, get your bony ass off my couch. Yes, it's still wet. We just cleaned it. That's why I was trying to get Big Ed to get that poster thing out. I couldn't get loose, so he takes the whole damn vacuum cleaner and vacuums it. Yeah, I saw it. What is it?
But you had to put me on YouTube.
Yeah, you.
They gonna say, this a crazy motherfucker using a whole vacuum cleaner and you see you got hoses on this motherfucker.
What are they gonna say?
This a crazy motherfucker. You see, they got the whole vacuum cleaner on the chair. He see hoses on the side of that motherfucker. To clean the chair with.
That's what the YouTuber's gonna say about you? What about Facebookers?
I don't know about Facebook.
You YouTube famous now. You on Mama T's World, honey.
So you ain't had no children to put on there?
Yeah, I did. I think I threw them away.
You did?
Yeah, 'cause see, I had this out and stored
Oh,
because I had a new living room suit. And I had this out in the storage.
mm-hmm.
And then hurricane, this, that, and the other happened, so I threw my other living room suit away.
You did?
Yeah, I threw it out to the road. It was a Ashley Furniture one. But, yep, my baby Alex is going to be 6 years old tomorrow, my grandson. Yes, indeed. Mama T got him all hooked up. I got him this and that and this and that and something or other. Yeah, I gotta go get a cake. My lights went out. You guys don't buy this Star at Wally Mart. It takes 3 AA batteries. It's got 10 little LED lights that flicker on and off. Well, it lasted about 4 hours. That's it. And I can't climb my big fat ass up there and change them batteries out again. How y'all like my old school tree, honey? Yes, indeed.
Mama,
No, leave the gifts alone now.
what's my gift?
That is what I am not. I am not that. What you looking at, boy?
My gift.
What gift?
My gift's in here. I only got one gift right now.
Yeah, one gift.
Don't rip my paper now. That's not your gift. That's for my elderly neighbor.
It has my name on it.
Hmm?
It has my name on it. It has my name on it.
I recycle like my mother did. That's probably just an old bag that I had one of your gifts in. I recycle my bows. Yeah, honey. Yeah, it's my sisters. I'm just like my mama. I recycle. I use coupons too.
To Noah.
That's not to you.
This is Noah.
Nana.
Who's Nana?
That's Miss Terry's mother.
Oh.
That's Trisha's grandmother. I always get Nana a gift. We love Nana. All the time thinking about others. Okay, huh?
No, I'm gonna knock on the door by like 10, 11 tomorrow, okay?
My little Tyler. He was
I give Mama
2 right there. Shoot, I ain't gonna get no good rest. My baby's birthday's tomorrow. Joey said he's bringing him, so I'm gonna be making some homemade spaghetti. Yeah, honey, I make enough for an army. When I cook enough for an army. That's why yeah, I'm doing it home style. But when I cook enough for an army. That's why my 4 dogs are so damn fat. I don't know how to. I don't know. I'm like my daddy. When I cook, and I get mad if you don't eat too. Oh, who? Cheyenne, that big fat yellow lab.
She's my dog, okay?
She's a fat biatch.
She's not flat. She's not fat.
Oh, Hope, the little bitty one.
Listen.
Yeah, Hope eats you out of house and home, but the other one's still her food.
Cheyenne isn't fat. She's plump.
She's a pig. Pretty intelligent girl. Yeah, Blue's the big boss man now.
He don't play.
No, Blue don't play when it comes to his food. Alright, YouTubers. Like, share, and subscribe. Eddie. Noah, tell them. Like, share, and subscribe. We need a new house. I ain't kidding you. Look where the ceiling flooded. Hurricane Sally was a big old bad biatch. Look at my floors. You see where all that rain come down? Crazy. Cray. I mean, big chunks of my ceilings come down out of the other rooms. What? Noah said this is what he wants for Christmas. How much? What is this?
A Nintendo.
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 Okay, guys. So Santa, if you're listening, this is what Noah wants. Santa Claus ain't coming to town, 'cause his mama don't have no money, and the F's are all on crack and beer, and they just quit making Nintendo Switches this year. How'd you like that little song, Noah?
Not.
Oh, I'm so happy I get to see my baby Alex tomorrow. He's going to be 6 years old. All right, YouTubers, Facebookers, like, share, and subscribe, please. I need more than 20 prescribers.
I found this on the ground.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Where'd you find all that? Let me see.
Hey,
Let me see. Hold your hand out.
I found this on the ground.
Where did you find all that change at?
At Circle K.
No way. Let me see. Hold your hand out. You found all that on the ground?
Yeah.
What the heck? Somebody must have just dumped their ashtray or something, huh? Maybe you got some wheat straw pennies in there.
Maybe.
We always like to look for old money. I get that from Henry Peden, my second father. I got a third one somewhere, but I think he forgot about us. Huh?
What do I do with these? Here, they're yours.
That change?
Yeah, it's 87 cents.
Go put it in your drawer in your room. Santa Claus ain't coming to town. How much is that darn thing? $399 for a Nintendo Switch. He's lost. You know, Santa Claus done Poe. I ain't got no insurance adjuster come here yet. I'm about broke. If it wasn't for Eddie helping me. My old school 60s Christmas tree. Y'all relive it with me. Alright. Like, share, and subscribe. Prescribe. Sound like Penny Jessie. Prescribe.